Good evening, everybody. Hope you have an amazing day. It's Tuesday, May 17th, 2022. It's around 7 pm and the temperature is 29 degrees centigrade here in Yangon, Myanmar. Now I am at Myanmar Street in Mingala-tong New Township, Yangon, Myanmar. This is a street food stall beside the road. People are buying street food here. There are lots of street vendors on both sides of this road. People can buy their daily necessary stuffs while walking across this road. You can get various fresh vegetables, fruits, fish, meat and street food here. This is a vegetable stall. This lady is buying lady's finger. This man is buying chicken egg. It's quite busy atmosphere now. Lots of vehicles are moving across this road. This lady is buying egg. This lady is selling various vegetables. This is a fruit stall. These are some ripe mangoes. People are getting right into the bus. This is one of the busiest road in Yangon. Especially in the evening, it's quite crowded. This man is preparing some snacks with egg. This lady is selling some fruits. This is a flower stall. This lady is buying some flowers. This man is also preparing some snacks with egg. People are enjoying walking across this road. There are lots of fruit stalls beside the road. Some fruit stall here. This man is selling corn salad. People are enjoying eating food sitting beside the road. This man is selling chicken barbecue. It's quite dark now. This is Yangon evening. This man is selling fish barbecue. This is tilapia fish, chicken barbecue. Some chicken. This man is preparing paratha. These are paratha. These are some fruit stall. This man is buying fruits. Mangosteen. It's quite busy atmosphere now. People are enjoying eating with friends and family. This lady is preparing some snacks. This lady is selling durian. People are enjoying the evening. This lady is selling salmon. It is one kind of dessert prepared with milk. This one box semi price is 1000 chia. This lady is selling pineapple fruits. People are enjoying eating sitting beside the road. This lady is preparing dosa. People are eating with friends and family. They are enjoying this evening. This man is selling a lassi prepared with yogurt and sugar. This is a healthy lassi. One glass of lassi price is 1000 kyat. This lassi is good for health. That's it from today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.